Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Skinape. So if you don't know what this is, it is an app for gift cards and skins for your games. So as you can see, Skinape is great for games, and gift cards is a combination of a mobile app and a loyalty program created for real gamers, allowing you to get gift cards and in-game currencies for your favorite games in a simple and secure way. So basically, you just play the game, or can get free rewards like Robux or points and CSGO and other apps just by opening this app. So it seems too good to be true. That's because it is, even though they have 4.4 stars. As you can see, the reviews here recently are 2 stars, 3 stars, and not even 5 stars. Actually, 1 star. As you can see, 3 stars. Takes way too long. Explain developer, blah blah blah. 1 star. And this app was good at first, but you got real bad luck. 10 Robux, 100 Robux. And as you can see here on Reddit, the whole premise makes 0 sense. There's no way the ad revenue will make up for all the free games, game stuffs which cost money, and they claim to be giving away. Yeah, if it's too good to be true, 10 times out of 10 it is too good to be true, and it is a scam. So please do not download this app with the hopes of making Robux or getting gift cards easily for your games. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.